speed reading is one of the best features or the best competencies that someone can have because it just allows you to read more in a short amount of time, meaning learning more in a short amount of time and achieving more since knowledge is power. And the more you learn, the more you earn, as Warren Buffett himself says. And so in this video lecture, we are going to demonstrate ChatGPT's ability or speed reading abilities. And so without further ado, let's jump right into it. So I'm going to start off with a prompt, and I'm saying speed read the book Atomic Habits for me. And let's just say let's say you want it to be in 10 bullets. Let's say you don't have the time to read the entire Atomic Habits book, but you might want the book to be just a simple 10 bullets. And now it's writing the bullets. And best of all, you can scroll down and use the read aloud option, which I'm going to use.
Here's a quick summary of Atomic Habits in 10 key bullets. 1. Small habits compound. Tiny changes, when repeated consistently, lead to significant improvements over time. 2. The power of identity. Focus on who you want to become, not just on the goals you want to achieve. 3. The 4 laws of behavior change. Make it obvious, attractive, easy, and satisfying to build good habits, and inversely for bad habits. 4. Environment shapes habits. Design your surroundings to make good habits easier and bad ones harder. 5. Habit stacking. Link a new habit to an existing one to make it easier to remember and perform. 6. The 2-minute rule. Make habits so easy they can be done in 2 minutes or less to overcome procrastination. 7. The role of rewards. Immediate rewards reinforce habits. Delayed rewards make them harder to sustain. 8. Tracking progress. Keep track of your habits to maintain motivation and build consistency. 9. The importance of consistency. Focus on being consistent rather than perfect. Missing one habit isn't a failure. 10. Atomic growth. Success doesn't come from drastic changes, but from continuous incremental improvements. These bullets summarize the core concepts of Atomic Habits for creating lasting behavioral changes.
All right, so as you can see, it went ahead and basically just gave me a crash course on Atomic Habits in 10 bullets, which was 1 minute or actually less. Now, let's say that you've been searching about digital marketing with AI and you came across this Forbes article, and let's say you don't have the time to read the entire article. Well, you can actually go ahead right here and you can copy the link to the article, and you can just come over here and you can say, fast read this. And if I were to go ahead and hit enter, it's going to go ahead and actually read this faster. And so it's talking now about the title of the Forbes article is the role of AI in digital marketing and so on and so forth. It's actually giving us a shorter version of it. Now, if I want it to be a much shorter version, let's say I want to only have 1 or 2 points to take away with me. I'm going to say, boil it down to 2 short key takeaways to resume all. Let's say you don't have time to read all of that text and you just want 2 key takeaways. So in this case, they are short. We can read them aloud.
1. AI enhances personalization. By analyzing data, AI helps create highly targeted campaigns and content that resonate with individual consumers. 2. AI improves efficiency and decision-making. AI streamlines content creation, optimizes advertising, and provides predictive insights to help marketers stay ahead of trends and boost ROI.
All right, so you can see that that is really interesting. Now, another way that you can use AI is proofreading. So if I were to copy this paragraph and come back here and say, proofread this, it can actually go ahead and proofread this to me. Also, let's say that you are Spanish and not English, and you want to know what the article is talking about, but you want to know what it's talking about in Spanish, in your own native language. So you can go and copy this article, come back, and you can say, give me, or let's just say resume key takeaways from this article in Spanish. And so right now, if I hit enter with the link, of course, if they want to go ahead and give us the key takeaways in Spanish, assuming that we are Spanish. Now you can see it has written everything. So now I have Spanish accent. I can talk Spanish well, but I'm just going to go ahead and read this aloud.
El artículo de Forbes destaca cómo la inteligencia artificial IA está transformando el marketing digital mediante personalización avanzada. La IA permite analizar grandes volúmenes de datos para crear campañas y contenidos altamente dirigidos que resuenan con las preferencias individuales de los consumidores. Mejora de la eficiencia y toma de decisiones. La IA agiliza la creación de contenido, optimiza la publicidad y proporciona perspectivas predictivas que ayudan a los especialistas en marketing a mantenerse a la vanguardia de las tendencias y mejorar el retorno de la inversión. Integrar la IA en las estrategias de marketing digital es esencial para mantener la competitividad en el panorama digital actual.
All right, so as you can see, that is one of the other ways to use ChatGPT. So I sure do hope that this video was useful, and I will meet you in the next lecture.